How's that? You're gonna roll over? Do it. Go ahead, roll over. What? You almost made it before. Oh, now you went back to your back, huh? Okay, let's try it again. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Come on. Whoa, there we go. There you go again. You like being on camera? Huh? No, back this way. This way is where you want to be. This way. Why not? Come on. That way you can do it good. You gotta keep your leg pulled over. Say hi to your mommy. I'll show her this if you want. Okay? You want your mommy to see it? She should see this. Come on. Get your leg back over. Right? What? What are you doing? Huh? Pull it over. Pull it over. Get over this way. Huh? You trying to look like your mommy? Huh? Go ahead. Roll back on your back. Go on. There, you made it. Okay. Close enough.